class 7. This is another part of the chapter number 14, and we are going to start from the page number 59, the middle portion. She promised herself that she would not allow herself to be too happy, since she did not want to tempt luck to bring them down to where they had been not very long before. So, as you know, that in the previous class I told you that Elizabeth, maybe that time when her mother married to Henchard, so maybe she became a very much free. She got the freedom. She her beauty, her health, then again she got back, and maybe she got that means the comforts and everything, the money, and she could enjoy everything, but she was very balanced because she saw the ups and downs of the life. She knew that time maybe life was giving her the that means so many things, so many enjoyable things, but it could happen that life again could take back from everything from her. Okay, and that's why she did not want to lose again, and so she was always very matured and very much balanced in her nature. Okay, so she had to carry a sunshade ever since the good life had improved her skin. Now her cheeks could get sunburn. So she was using sunshades, and she was using to protect her beauty. She was using so many things for to protect her beauty, and also at the same time she could able to choose her own clothes, because she knew that she had the value of the money, she had the value of the life, and she knew that if she would spend money, if she that time she would be very much in comfort situation, maybe if she did not have the habit of gaining the that means the obstacles, so maybe it could happen, that means the life could give her more and more problems again. Okay, so that's why she was very matured and very much balanced. Henchard grew fond of her, and she was seen more often with him than with her mother. One morning they were at breakfast. Henchard looked at her light hair done neatly with curls in front. Henchard reminded Susan that she had mentioned that baby Elizabeth Jane's hair would be black when she grew up. One day, at the first, it's written that Henchard was very much grew fond of her own daughter, or of his own daughter, and that time Elizabeth was also enjoying the time with her father more than her mother. So one day, what happened? So three of them were at the breakfast table. Suddenly, Mr. Henchard noticed that Elizabeth Jane's hair was it was golden kind of thing. So, and he reminded Suzanne. He told Suzanne that Suzanne told many days ago that when Elizabeth would grow up, so Elizabeth's hair would be brown. So, what about this? she started she started sorry she started and knocked his foot at a warning. When Elizabeth Jane left the room, Henchard apologized for the near error. So what happened when Henchard told this thing? So that time Henchard could not understand that what would happen if Elizabeth would know that Henchard knew everything about her past. So he did not have that idea at that time. Maybe he forgot. But Suzanne just poked Mr. Henchard not to tell anything about the past. So then when Elizabeth left the room, so Henchard was apologizing to Suzanne for the near error. He said that he had thought that her hair was darker when she was a baby. Suzanne pointed out that it had been, but her hair color can change. Henchard wondered how hair got lighter with age. Susan looked uneasy. So, when Elizabeth just left the room, so that time they both of them were talking about the color of the hair of Elizabeth. So, Henchard also did not understand that how Elizabeth had the brown color hair, because she had at the when she was how Elizabeth had the that means the golden color hair when Elizabeth was that means Elizabeth should have the brown color hair, okay, instead of golden. So Susan told that it could happen to the hair color, but Hencher was not satisfied with the answer, and Susan also looked very uneasy.